My name is Julia Bremble and I'm a full-time corsetier trading under the name of JB Corsets. You might know me better as the person behind So Curvy Corsetry Supplies, or the Oxford School of Corsetry, or the Oxford Conference of Corsetry, or you may have read my ebook Corset Making from Beginners to Intermediate, which was published 12 years ago and which is now considered to be a standard reference work. Shape is my thing. I consider myself to be a technician, which means that I like to work out why things work, how they work, and therefore how to make things better. I am not an embellisher or a decorator, although I will cover a bit of that, and I have done a lot of that in the past. My thing is definitely shape and engineering. My interest is in modern corsetry, which is a hybrid between Victorian and Edwardian corsetry. I specialise in tight lacing and also curvy figures because I have a curvy figure myself, and that means poochy tummies, big boobs. Some of you will know that I've been wanting to take the Oxford School of Corsetry online for a long time, and I've been trying to find ways to do that that suit me and the people and my students the best way. Obviously there are lots of people in the world who've wanted to come and learn with me in person but haven't been able to because of the distance, and I can only take a limited number of people per year in person. Patreon seems to be the best platform because whenever I went to other platforms I wound up being overwhelmed by everything, and so I've been able to make 3 tiers on this platform, and I will be able to layer up everything as we go along, so I hope you enjoy that. I'm going to teach you really about the nitty-gritty aspects of corsetry, the whys and the why nots, and in the top tier there'll be lots of historical information that simply isn't online, and also kind of business related tips, how to manage clients and what have you. By supporting my work here, you not only make me very happy, thank you, but you keep me in my studio so that I can carry on doing this work, and so that I can lay down my legacy collection of books, which you'll be helping me to write by just being here and helping me along and keeping me motivated. So if you've ever wanted to attend one of my courses but haven't been able to, then this is definitely your place. Patrons will also have first access to any online mentoring spots that come available. But in the meantime, please do feel free to ask me any questions you want and suggest any topics you'd like me to cover. And thank you, welcome.